Morning is the beginning of a new day. God has given us this day to use as we will. Let us put our energy into time and draw success from time. With this, a warm and hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Archana from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly on the topic time. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. And now, let us talk to God for what we want or need and ask Him to provide that for us. Let's get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, being the citizen of India, we have some duties and responsibilities towards our country, means to protect, defend, and be loyal. Pledge emphasizes the basic duties and it is a part of our assembly too. And next I would like to call Karima from class 8 for pledge. Thank you very much, Karima. Time is precious and priceless. Once lost can never be recovered. We should utilize each and every moment of our lives productively and should never waste it meaninglessly. Dear friends, we should spend our time to move forward in life. Let us move to the next, that is thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite Yashi from class 8th. Morning everyone, my name is Yashi. Thought of the day is: don't waste your time in anger, regrets, worries and grudges. Life is too short to be unhappy. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Yashi. News keeps us aware of the current affairs and it keeps us informed of the changing events, issues and characters in the country and world outside. Let us have a look on today's news headlines. And next I would like to invite Namita from class 8 to share news with us. Thank you very much, Namita. Having a rich vocabulary helps us to communicate in a more engaging way. The greater number of words we have, the more we can interpret ideas from others and express our own ideas too. Let us enhance our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite Rashmi from class 8. Good morning everyone, my name is Rashmi. Word of the day is trice, which means a very short period of time and instant. Synonyms of trice are instant, moment. Antonyms are forever, lifetime. I am using this word in a sentence. Having heard the news of her final result, the boy flew down the stairs in a trice. Thank you. Thank you very much, Rashmi. Dear friends, if anyone would ask what is the most valuable resource in the universe, then the answer would be time. Time is the most precious resource in the universe and it waits for none. If we waste our time, it can never be recovered. So it is important to utilize each and every moment of our lives productively. Everybody should understand the importance of time. Here I would like to invite Shreya from class 8 to share views on value of time. Thank you very much, Shreya. National Anthem is a song that fills our hearts with pride. It is surely an expression of national unity. It is to rouse our spirits and uplift our souls. And it's time to pay respect to our nation by singing National Anthem. Everybody take position for National Anthem and start. After National Anthem, today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.